In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort files in Google Drive using a computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to rearrange your files so you can find what you need faster and keep your workspace neat and organized. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll land in My Drive, which is the main hub for your personal files and folders. If you want to sort items within a specific folder, click into that folder first so the changes apply exactly where you want them. Now look toward the top right area above your files. You'll see a Sort button, which looks like an A to Z or Z to A icon. Click that button to open the sorting options. This is where you tell Google Drive how you want your files arranged. Choose the option that best fits what you need right now. If you select Name, your files and folders appear in alphabetical order. This is perfect when you know the file name and just want to scan from A to Z. If you pick Last Modified, Drive will show the most recently changed files first, including edits made by collaborators. That's helpful when you're tracking ongoing projects. Last Modified by Me narrows it down to changes you personally made most recently, which is great when you want to jump back into something you edited earlier. Last Opened by Me focuses on files you recently viewed, whether or not you made changes, so it's a quick way to return to items you've been browsing. Finally, Quota Use sorts by file size with the largest items first, making it easier to identify what's taking up the most space. After you choose an option, your file list will update immediately to match that sorting method. If you want to reverse the order, for example switch from A to Z to Z to A, open the Sort menu again and select the same category to flip it, or choose the corresponding reverse option when available. If it looks like nothing changed, it may be because you were already using that sort order, or your folder doesn't have many items to rearrange. That's all there is to it. Sorting in Google Drive is quick, flexible, and a simple way to stay organized, whether you're working in My Drive or inside a specific folder. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.